Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Hostinger. For this, first of all, you need to go to the Hostinger website and purchase Hostinger's web hosting plan. After that, the first step is to unlock the domain at Godaddy. For this, you need to sign in to your Godaddy account and go to the domain portfolio page. After that, click on the dots next to the domain name and select Turn Off. Once you do that, then point the domain to Hostinger name servers. For this, you need to open the domain portfolio page, click on the three dots next to your domain, and select Edit DNS. Then you need to open the Name Servers tab and select Change Name Servers. After that, from here, you need to select I will use my own name servers and enter the Hostinger name servers and then click on Save. So the next step is to obtain the authorization code. For this, you need to open the domain portfolio page and then click on the domain. After that, scroll down and there you will see these two options. Transfer to another Godaddy account and transfer to another registrar. So from here, select Transfer to another registrar and then click on Continue. Then you will see this page, so here you need to click on Click here to see authorization code. The next step is to initiate the domain transfer to Hostinger. After that, log into your Hostinger account and go to Domains. After that, select Transfer an existing domain. So here in the search bar, type your domain name that you want to transfer and click on Transfer. Then you will see the transfer and renewal costs. So from here, click Purchase to confirm and make payments. Then enter the EPP code, select Hostinger name servers, and confirm the transfer via the email that you have received. So this was how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Hostinger. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, take care.